Habaikan bagi nang pathai kubor hadian balawai ke Jingialang. Menteri Rangba ke Jela uloang bu lalu me ke Jingialang hadian ke Jing Sakhi ya Ka Khlam COVID-19 hakeleng giri. Bat ke Jinglum me ke Jingialang ha sekretariat kalong tang ban sngotu e ke Jinglong Jingman bat ban chemikilat Jingada. Uloang bah ke Jingialang letai sani bah bat la syam ba ke Jinglong Jingman kalong ke biang bah ya ke ba om dan kam ban khuslai ne syap tiang ai. Bat ke Jingle e kitas kaliat cakmat akibat bun ke Jaka bat kibala ban yo e ke Jingpang ila ban long tang hapo not point iwe ne not point r na kasispa kabalong kabarit ba Conrad kongkal sangma uloong bakam dan satya kanu ke Jingma menta nrei ke Sorkar kahap ban shimkhya bat kamla ban kinsting bat kan yai Khmih ya ke Jinglong Jingman ha ke Jela.
And the Honorable Prime Minister himself also is taking a meeting as we speak. And this is just a precautionary meeting because we'll be all leaving for Christmas break. And hence, I thought it appropriate that given the current situation that's happening in the rest of the world, that it's important to review. In the review, we have seen that the situation is very much as of now under control. There is nothing to panic about. And in fact, a lot of testings have been taking place. And there are very, very less than 0.2% or 5% less. 0.2%, 0.1% of positivity rate is there, which is very, very minimal. So there is nothing alarming as of now. But obviously, as a government, it is our duty to not take things for granted. And hence, we have taken a review and we'll be continuously monitoring the situation. And in this festive season, the only advisory that is there is that wherever possible, people should wear masks. That is the only simple advisory we have. But as I said, as of now, the situation is under control and there's nothing to panic. But as a society, as a government, and as individuals, we should be careful.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela ula pencai ba om dan jingtep ai ke jingkam Menteri Katnat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Jela uba bantai dor rengdo ba ke NPP ke laterwa ye uda ke klur tengka ban peneso no bat ke NPP ban iconic election MLA Banuan. Ulang ba keseng NPP ke bayalam ke Sorkar Jela hak ni ke South Nam Shiteng idan bon ki kampen roy ke bala pentrekam hakaleng ke Jela. Haga bala dat ban snabun teligi surak habinu jor bat ki ar postem ke bala lej. Kamat kebedai buat uput usam ke belah saateng labun posnem ru la syamkiar ke Sorkar ke pemerintah bat kinong rap bat ki self help group kelio shibun ki jingarap iki bakim jiyo setia brosh kata. Menteri Rangba ulang bagi ladan ru bon ki program na kebenta ki samla haga bala Pynlong ya ke Meghalaya Games ke North East Olympic Games bala shnaru iki jingtai na kebenta ki samla ki bam juja setia hagi puar ki bala lej. Ulang bagi kam ke bagi Sorkar kelale kela kringi kinong elam ban penyeso syake NPP. Kam tam ha bagaseng kela trekam bah bat unget scam bagi padba ke jelak kin penjob bongot ki kertong na keseng NPP hak election Banuan.
But as a political party, as NPP, in the last 4.5 years, as the government, as the party that has led this coalition, we have seen large amounts of development work that have taken place throughout the state. In the last 5 years, more roads have been constructed than the last 20 years. Border issues that have been left out have been taken up. Farmers and women self-help groups have been helped like never before. Youths and programs to facilitate the youth and games like the Meghalaya Games and different programs like the Northeast Olympics or the infrastructures we created for the youth have happened like never before. I think these are the facts that attract the leaders who are coming in today and wanting to join because they're seeing that there is a support that is coming for the party. They're seeing that this party has delivered to a large extent. Of course, there's a lot more to be done. We're not saying that everything has been done, but we are moving in the right direction. And very strongly speaking, that this is what has motivated these individuals and leaders to come in and join the political party. And therefore, it is based on that we're moving forward, and that's based on this that we convince people, and the fact that in the coming elections, we will see that the ground response will be much more positive. We are expecting that people will give a much, more stronger mandate to the NPP, and therefore, in this manner, the trend is what is the people is attracting these people who want to, of course, work with a party that is, has delivered to a large extent. As I said, there's a lot more to be done, but to a large extent we have done, and want to be with the government in the future. And that's why they're coming and joining us. So this is what we tell them. Apart from that, what other leaders are mentioning in their speeches, as I said, we have to get the explanation from them.
What is the security arrangement for the festive season?
All steps and all necessary arrangements that are required for the festive season have been taken as usual, and of course, as I said, the entire police force all are keeping a close watch. And now, of course, with even the technology improvement with the drone facilities, even the drones will be there, keeping a watch in the sky also as to how the situation is. We do, of course, expect a lot of traffic situation because of the shopping and a lot of tourists also here. So those concerns are there. But apart from that, most of the steps taken normally for festive season are being taken.
Hagabayday bagi jingkeno bagi don ki MLA bat ki Menteri Sorkar ke balapanan kam bakla ya ke skim Focus bat Focus Plus. Menteri rang ba ke jela ulong bagi beliau kila ban kentho kumno ru. Ndrek Sorkar kelas sedang ya ke skim Focus bat Focus Plus ha ke senam arajar arpuai bat kam desho ke skim ke badang temai ndrek kaliach khmat ke lengki benta jong ke jela. Bat bon ke beliau kli ojung mentoy ne kini skim baladadan ki beliau ke bakwa ban le kam san perthai kan syong ha kita ke bakwa ban kentho bat dan AA ban ong. Conrad kongkal sangma ubalong ru national president ke NPP ula kentho tenge yu nongelam ke Trinamool Congress Kirti Azad alor ke jing kentho persya yu menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ubalapong ya karyam tenrai ukhasi ha ke jingwan chikanong ba shillong ha ka khat pratrek uno opra arajar arpuar. Azad ula tho aga Twitter ya kawe kadur kabala Shushna jong menteri rang badu kari bat kentho ba Narendra Modi ula pong na kejan kenthai ha ke jingwan ha kanong ba shillong. Conrad kongkal sangma ulong bakalong ke basngusi ba unong yalam ke Trinamool Congress ba kren kumne kipat ba kham tama kejat bendemokrasi ba dikipat ba ke jela. Conrad kongkal sangma ula dawa ba unong yalam ke Trinamool Congress ba udai ban panma mardor halor ke jingkren ben jong uyu pat ba dikalariti jong ke jela.
See, people can make any kind of statements. We have been doing this program for the last 2 years now, and it's been going on in different parts of the state. Focus and Focus Plus started in the year 2021, and it's been going on for 2 years now. So therefore, it's not a new scheme. It's been going on, and many people have benefited from this scheme. But if somebody would like to draw some kind of a political color to it, then that's that particular person's observation. I have nothing to say about this. But this is a program and a scheme that we have made it universal. There are certain criteria you have to follow. And as long as you follow those criteria, you're eligible to get the benefits.